if there was no project like this and you want to start working with something new, right? There's something which is not there. So let's say there's a project you want to create and call it kg. Let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to open VSC. Okay, it's showing the exact the earlier open window. You can try opening a new window here and click on open folder from here, or you can directly open from here. Anything will open the same thing. And now this is the folder that I want, where my actual stuff will happen, right? So I can directly open this and you can see the project is inside now. Now I want to work on something before I create a PR, right? So right now we don't have anything in this project. How do we get started? This project is for using Playwright. So how do we get started with Playwright, right? So first thing I'll want to remind you that this particular section shows you the branch, which branch you are on. So in the previous project you can see we were on main branch, so it was showing up here. So if there are more branches, if you click on this section, it will start showing more branches. And if you want to create a new branch, you can use this simple section for creating a new branch. But if you're creating a new branch from some other branch, you can use this other one. The other way to do this is, of course, use terminal and navigate. Select, this time you can see the git bash option has come since we installed git bash. You click on git bash and once again the same TTY window has opened over here. Since it is integrated with VSC, you can directly create a branch using get checkout -v and the branch name, new branch. So you're on the new branch now. How do I know this? There are two ways to know this. You do git branch, you say there's main, there's new branch, and there's a star button here, that means you're on this branch. The other way to know is this, begins to show over here as well on the left side. So there are two ways to like figure out like how to create branches, right? So there are when you click on this, and you can create a new branch using this, and you'll see the branch information here as well. And on the source control side, you will see that the new branch has been created. You are on this new branch, and if you want to, there's a initial commit ready for you. If you want, there is no changes as of now, so it just begins to show over here. And if you want to publish it, you can directly click on this publish button, and your change will be pushed for PR. Okay, but there's nothing here right now, so I'll just leave it as is. It's an existing repo. Anyways, I want to talk about the other project where there is nothing here, right? So, and we are going to, there's not even a branch showing up here because we haven't created anything. There's nothing. So we'll start from scratch on how to get started with Playwright. You can take the help of Playwright's official website, which is playwright.dev, and it will show you like what all projects are using Playwright. Everywhere it is being used now. Just click on get started and it will show you this page where it will teach you how to get started, how to install it. So if you want to go through this, you will understand in a pretty simple manner. So there are three ways to install this. There one is npm, yarn, and enpm. So enpm is like a faster version of npm, and it kind of downloads stuff for you, like packages for you very quickly. But the only disadvantage is like the it's not that secure as npm, and we will mostly prefer npm. Yarn is another way. It's a good alternative to npm. You can try this as well, but we'll stick to the original npm one. Just copy this command, navigate to your terminal, and just paste it here. Okay, I'm getting an error right now because it says that on this system this running script is disabled. So if you get this error, there's a solution for it which I've posted on my website. Mighty dude, just go here and there's this file. Yeah, I already created one document here for you to see. Like once you get this error for .ps, when you have to use your PowerShell, open PowerShell in our administrator mode. Once the PowerShell opens, you can use either of these commands. So this is for current user. If you're working in an organization, you only want the change to happen in the for your user and not for the entire system, then you have to use this. Otherwise you use this command and just press enter, and then you can say yes to all. Okay, this has now taken care of this issue, and now you can just go ahead with this. Now you can see it says which version. It's going to install the latest version, which is 1.7, right? So it's saying that you need to install this. Are you okay? And you say yes. It says, do you want to use TypeScript or JavaScript? Here you get an option for languages. I would say TypeScript because it's because of it, how tight it is with types and all. So and it's actually a superset of JavaScript, and it has more capabilities. So I'd suggest go with TypeScript. It says where do you want to put your end-to-end tests. So you can here decide the name of the folder. So the test is a default folder. If you don't want to change it, just press enter and it will take it as test. Do you want a GitHub Actions workflow? So if you add this GitHub Actions is a pretty much is for CI/CD, right? So they have come up with this feature where you can use this for continuous integration development. And so what I'm thinking is like unlimited public private. You get for $0 you get unlimited public private repos, depend about security and version updates. You can create 2000 CI/CD minutes per month free for public repos. 500 MB of package storage you'll get, and user projects. So this is something I haven't tried before, but maybe for this one I'll say yes to this. Okay, so let's do press Y and it becomes true. It says, do you want to install browsers? Yes, we want to install the browsers. Press enter and it will start creating your package.json. So this is the package.json that is created. If you click on this, you'll see the entire thing has been added, and then it's installing the Playwright test file, which is saved as a dev dependency. So Playwright test goes in that dev dependency part. Types node is for node version gets installed, so it uses this for TypeScript and like its integration with the node, and all the IntelliSense support will get added as well. So all those things, and then it's began to write some basic stuff for you. So Playwright config is where all the configurations are stored. If you click on this, you'll see the entire configuration file over here. I'll explain about it in a bit. You can see the browsers are being downloaded. So we've got our headless shell, Chromium browser, then there is Firefox, WebKit. All these three will be downloaded in the beginning, and some other supports will support. So there's an option here that pops up. Do you want to install recommended Playwright test for VS Code extension from Microsoft? So yes, you can click on install, and this is very helpful, guys, for a lot of areas. So it says that you'll get this section got testing, and it will allow you to run tests. You'll get this section over here if you want to show the browser while testing. You can click over this. This test explorer is something that is very useful. You can run your test directly from here. So I'd recommend you install this plugin. right? So it's very useful while testing. So while the terminal says that everything has been installed, and you'll get this success message. Inside that directory you can run several commands, it says, and to begin testing with some things, it will suggest to use these commands.